Listen, you know you're already looking really good on camera, and now we're going to add another powerful tool, which is screen sharing. It's not just like sharing your desktop, but there's so many things that you can do in screen sharing using overlays here in Ecamm that will make your presentation, video, stream look super dynamic. Many of our Ecamm creators run webinars, teach courses, or give presentations, and Ecamm makes it simple to share your screen while keeping your camera visible. Today's tip, I'm gonna show you how to set up a scene just like this, where you're sharing your screen as an overlay, but your camera is also there, which is really great for staying connected to your audience. This keeps your presentation engaging while still letting your audience see you. It's a simple way to create a polished, professional presentation. Now you're ready for some screen sharing. Let me show you how to do that in Ecamm. If you create a new scene, you can have the entire scene be a screen share. So I'm gonna hit plus. It's defaulting to a camera scene, but I'm going to change it to a screen share scene. And then I'm going to tell Ecamm what screen to share. I'm working with multiple monitors, and not only can I share one of those monitors, I could also just share an application that's open. So I'm going to click share screen. Then I'm going to go right down here and say show Safari. So I've got Safari open, and now I'm sharing our Ecamm YouTube channel, go us. If I want to add in a picture in picture, I can hit Shift Command P, and that'll put me right down here, and I can move this wherever I want. But we can customize this even more. Let me show you another example. So first, let's change this to screen share with picture in picture. But now let's do another scene. This time, I want it to be blank first. Source, blank. Now I'm thinking of overlays. I'm gonna do a camera overlay. I hit camera. Let's see, maybe I'll make myself really small. And now I want to do a screen share overlay. So I'm gonna select this button right down here. It says new screen share overlay. And if it's not the screen share that you want, let me just fix this real quick. If let's say, oh, and look at that. Let me drag my camera A up above here so I'm floating on top. If this was not the screen that you wanted to share, you can double click and change this to whatever you have open that you're wanting to share. So I'm going to switch this to Safari. And what's really cool, one other bonus tip here, if I want to crop out some of this, I can hit the Option button on my keyboard and drag this down to show just what I want to show and nothing else. This applies with any overlay. You can crop your overlays any way that you see fit. So look at guys, you've got a lot of possibilities here. Now it's your job to play around with this and make it yours. Ooh, don't forget to change the name to this. Screen share Jill Little. Let's add a background too. First, it's going to take everything over. Then I'm going to drag it down either here, or if I want it in all of my backgrounds, I can drag it there. Look at that, guys. It's so fancy. I love it. And in the next video, we'll talk about using one of Ecamm's most powerful features besides our amazing community, and that is bringing guests into your production. It's not as hard as you think, and it can make for amazing, amazing, engaging content. See you in the next video.